Then, sideboard to right.
Ang hirap pag yung nakikita yung controller, no?
Parang nag-i-imagine.
Okay, sige. Back to the original position tayo, sir. Okay, sige lang. Original position, left. Okay, stop. So, gawa naman tayo ng square, sir. Nose in, nose out. Okay. So, forward. Okay, then stop. 90 degrees to left. Left. Dito, sir. Rotation. Or yo.
Smooth.
Sige lang, sir. Sige pa. Kulang pa. Kulang pa. Sige, pihit pa, sir. Sige pa.
Ang hirap naman tansyahin.
Forward. Okay, stop. Then, 90 degrees to left ulit. Sige pa. Sige pa, sir. Then, stop. Forward. Okay, then stop. Okay. Last one. Forward. Okay, stop. Then,